Morning. Today I'm going to talk to you about the video game I chose, which calls Plants vs. Zombies. That is a tower defense video game developed and published by PopCup Games in 2009. And the main objective is to use the diversity of plants to prevent an army of zombies entering their houses and eating their brains. So, as you can see, there are four four sections. The first one that is the adventure that has five different areas. Each area contains 10 levels, and in this mode has certain amount of flags and a final wave. The name of each area is a day, night, fog, swimming pool, and the rooftop. The second one is the survival. That is the largest mode in Plants vs Zombies. The difficulties are hard and normal in different areas. The third one, that is the puzzles. It contains two categories with 9 levels each, which calls the first one is zombie and the second one is base breaker. So you can receive a victory reward and a trophy. And finally, the mini games that were created for making the players fun. And the advantage is that you could receive a blue gem that is equivalent to 1,000 coins and a trophy. So during each level, you will gain a plant to collect it, to watch its power. You go through the calendar that is divided into parts. The first part that is for zombies and the second part that is for plants. And you select one of them and you could see the facts and the quotes of each one. So thank you so much.